Hi everyone, Carlos here. Welcome to this week's edition of Beyond Borders Weekly Immigration Insights with Sellanes Clark. In today's blog, we delve into the area of health and character requirements. Now, what does that mean? It means it's to do with medicals and police checks. Is it important? Definitely it is. But you'd be surprised how many people think of this as an afterthought. They consider everything about a partner visa application from the start of doing all the 4 pillars, which is in relation to actually looking at your financials, looking at what your living habits, getting documents from your family members, friends. It's all about, you got all your 888 forms, you got all your statutory declarations, and the police checks and health character the health requirements are an afterthought. So you've done your application, you've actually targeted the 4 pillars like a demon, you got all your documentation, and you lodge your application, you put your head on the pillow and you go to sleep thinking that everything's fine. The next morning, you wake up, you have an email from the department with an RFI. What's that? A request for further information. They're asking you questions to clarify. There are answers in your application that are inconsistent with third-party information that they have. What is the third-party information? Third-party information could be as simple as your passenger card that you filled in on the first time you arrived to Australia. You ticked the box saying that you didn't have any police records or anything, and that may not be correct. And that little bit of information sets in motion a character issue. Now, the health requirements are the same. There could be something that you're not really thinking that is important, but it is actually important. A medical issue that you think that maybe a pill that you take is not an issue, but it could be an issue for the department, that they need to know everything. Now, if you don't look at all that information in advance, you're actually battling uphill afterwards. You're trying to explain yourself. So you may have gone to an agent that didn't look at that, or you may have done your own application and didn't consider it. You need to consider that as an important aspect. So if you want more information about this, click on the link above and jump onto our website, or otherwise give us a telephone call on 1300 99 8888 and we'll be happy to help. So for now, until next week, stay safe.